So thank you for joining me today, Chet. It's nice to have you here. I'm excited to get to know you a little bit more. And if you are ready, we will go ahead and just jump in with our questions, if that works for you.
Absolutely. And thank you for having me, Danielle. It's good to see you again.
Of course. So my first question I have is, why did you decide to come work for SIS and join our team?
Oh, great question. Really, it's been a 20-year relationship with SIS and probably slightly more with Siemens. So it's really like coming back home again. And it has been, my first 2 months in. So I actually met up with the SIS team when I had my first stint with Siemens. Um, Actually, we were SDRC UGS back then, and Dr. Ali Farsai and Greg Walker and Kevin. So it's amazing to kind of go full circle, knowing that they're still on the team. They've developed the business, and through that journey, the actual, UGS, EDS, and now Siemens, those peers, they're in place. So it's really been a great synergy, and it's all been focused on aerospace and defense and shipbuilding. That's where we kind of met SIS in that space. So it feels very natural and comfortable in coming back, and that was the main draw, is to really leverage those relationships in the product suite for our customers.